Hey folks, I am trying to take down this bush. It's an oleander,
Whichever you want to use.
and normally I love oleanders. I love the white blossoms, but this guy, all the leaves got moldy, and so I think I'm just gonna prune it back. And hopefully it'll come back and it'll look better than ever. Anyways, I started off trying to do the task like this. Now, this is not the best lopping tool because there is no ratchet, but it did the trick, but it's hard to get the really thick branches. Some of these branches over here, some of them, they're an inch thick, okay? So, I started doing the work. You can see I took down about half of the bush here, but it was kind of hard, and I'm a gadget guy, so I decided to try a new gadget. So let me go grab it. This is a battery-powered chainsaw, and let's see here. So anyways, it's got the battery pack here, and I had to pour oil in here, and I'm gonna prime the oil a little bit. I just took the safety cover off, so I'm gonna be very careful about putting the hands over here. I'm gonna go ahead and prime the oil a little bit. That should let the oil, I want the oil to flow a little bit on the chain. Hopefully that's doing it. I can't really honestly tell whether that's doing it or not. Let's try a couple more times. Maybe that did it. Okay, anyways, let's go and see what this will do with these branches. I'm going to start with a really big one here. Well, I got to tell you, it cut through that guy like butter. Look at that guy. Look at the thickness there. And my main goal is to be able to get through a lot of this relatively quickly. I could have done this one by one with the loppers, but it just wouldn't go this fast. Ah, that's beautiful. I am already pretty happy with my purchase. There we go. Beautiful. Nice. Oh wow, here's a really big one. Let's see how this goes. Well, first of all, I got to do a smaller one. Okay, I'm just about ready. I just want to be able to really get to the bottom of this big one. So I got to get these little ones out of the way. Okay. Oh, let me get this really, really big one, and then I'm gonna go into the fast frame mode. Okay, here we go. Wow. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy. Look at that baby. Not bad, eh? Okay. I am going to put this, I'm going to put this into time-lapse mode so that you don't have to sit here and watch every little detail.